Why is important to have a proper plan? Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to see here why we need to have a plan in order to execute the met mooring, especially in these conditions that we have the wind from the starboard side and the prop walk pushing us to the port side. So in this case, our plan is step by step. So we clear each step with the methodically, and then we go to the next one. The purpose here is to get the bow in the proper alignment before we drop the anchor. As you see, I point to my student to go more into the wind in order to bring the bow to the proper alignment and then drop the anchor. And then as we drive into the wind, we go all the rudder downwind in order to slap the wind and get the bow again to the proper position. As we get the bow to the proper position, we give the signal to the bow to drop the anchor. As we drop the anchor, since we know that the anchor is dropped to the proper spot into the alignment, then we can relax. And even if we failed to go to the proper spot, we can reapproach by having the chain into the water. We can do one more maneuver. And as you see here, our student Petra, she is overshooting because she has a lot of wind from the starboard side, but this is not a bad thing, and she can correct the last moment because she knows that the prop walk is pulling to port side, so she is overshooting in the wind. And now we have a new goal. Our new goal is just to enter and control the distance from the dock. As long as we control the distance from the dock and we don't crash, and also we don't let the boat go outside from the slot again, we can give the line outside easily. As you will see, Petra, she will do here a very brave maneuver by stopping the boat the last second. That was kind of unnecessary, but she was a little bit stressed, so she didn't realize how close she was. But you will see that that was eventually very helpful because we gave out the line very easily to Stelios. You see here she's coming so bravely and stop it with a nice blast. Line outside, and now we take care only the distance from the dock and not to let the boat go out. After some time, you're going to see that we're going to lie next to the other boat, and that's why we have the fenders in order to use it. So we don't overstress with the line, guys. We don't really care if the line, we don't manage to get it back fast. Since we have the other boat next to us, we're going to use it. It's not a problem, it's not an extra pressure, maybe a little bit of pressure during the impact, but then the fenders protect and there is no problem. And as you'll see later on, we take the line back. We engage the line and we make it tight to the cleat, to the windward side, and then we forward with the engine in order to create leverage. You see here we are forwarding with the engine to create leverage with the line, so the skipper she can go to the bow and give directions to the windlass operator how much he should pull the chain in order to secure it and secure the boat into position. And the last thing that we do is to give out the leeward line. It's the last of the list that we do, and that's pretty much it. The docking is done step by step and with safety.